Honorable Your Excellency, Minister Amtalat, distinguished guests, industry partners, good morning. It's an honor to be with you today at the sixth round of the Arabic Security Conference. As we discuss the various ways we can attain efficient information security to ensure a sustainable future. It's no secret that ICT plays a profound role in the unlocking the doors for a digital economy. In fact, the world's digital economy has been growing 2.5 times faster than the global GDP over the past 15 years, according to our research. With the rapid development of the digital technologies, new security and privacy protection challenges are also on the horizon. In an intelligent world driven by 5G, cloud, and AI, holding a secure and stable server space is no longer a choice, rather than a necessity to protect individual living hosts and ensure a well-operated digital world. As a global ICT provider, Huawei has played cybersecurity and privacy protection at the forefront of its priorities. For 22 years, we have been worked digitally with address challenges and provide our partners with the most secure digital transformation solution to support customers in light of the current digital era. Accordingly, Huawei has adopted an ever-changing integrated system and invested a third of its R&D budget on cybersecurity to ensure all products and services abide by international security standards and guarantee the safety and the efficiency of Egyptian society as a whole. Although vulnerability is inevitable, it's a protocol for every technology's user to be the companies, consumers, and citizens to comprehend the importance of cybersecurity and to know how to protect their data assets and privacy effectively. Together with our partners in the public and private sectors, we will continue to support the state's digital transformation strategy and work openly and transparently to ensure cybersecurity to all business sectors and enable society to witness the pleasure of the technology. I'm looking forward to exchanging value with one another at the conference and pave the way for a secured digital Egypt, leveraging Egypt's 2030 vision. Thank you very much. Shukran.